Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add or create bookmarks in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and click on the sidebar panel, and here you will find this bookmark option. Click here and see this PDF file has no bookmarks, and I will add bookmarks. You can create bookmarks on image, text or a whole page, and I'll create bookmark this page. Simply click right button from your mouse and select add bookmark, and see this bookmark title now showing here, and type name. Second page, and see this and go in here. Now click on this bookmark and see this second page now showing, and also I'll create bookmark this text. Click on this selection icon and select your text. Now again right click on your mouse and select add bookmark, and see these text are already inserted. I'll edit this up. I'll type text and see this and go another, then click on this bookmark icon and see this. This way you can also bookmark this image. Click on this image and click right button, add bookmark. Also you can add bookmark here. Go this page and simply click on this bookmark option, bookmark, and see this added, and go in here and click on this bookmark and see this. In this way you can create bookmark on your PDF file. Also you can delete, edit and rename also. Yeah, and finally select this file option, select save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.